Welcome to Highlife Guitar Lessons. My name is Daniel Boateng. It's been a while we met, and I know by now you have been practicing every lesson I have been uploading on YouTube. Today we are going to look at Highlife guitar solos, how to solo using the pentatonic scale. We will look at major pentatonic and then minor pentatonic. So get ready. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then click on the notification so that you will not miss any lesson from this channel. Let's begin. Okay, pentatonic scale means a 5-note scale, 5 notes that makes up a scale. So we are going to look at the major and then the minor. Let's look at major pentatonic. For example, we have C major scale to be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then C. This is C major scale. Now with this C major scale, we are going to select 5 notes from this scale to make it a pentatonic scale. That is C major pentatonic. So on the screen now, we have the C major pentatonic. C major pentatonic, we have C, D, E, G, A. That's all. C, D, E, G, A. Then you can end it at the C here. So looking at the fretboard, the first 4 frets, the middle 4 frets, and then the last 4 frets, we can play our C major pentatonic at each of the positions. For example, at the first 4 frets, our C major pentatonic is going to be C here, D open, E, G open, A is here. Then we can get our C here, our D here, our E, and then G. So we have okay, so we can also add this, take E, good. I hope it is clear. Now you can do this activity. Do this activity for me. Okay, I am playing the C string, then G, then A. So 3. I am picking a 3-3. E, G, A. Okay. This is C major pentatonic. Play around it in 3 groups. Mi, mi. Okay, you can do it. Do, do, do. Okay, do, re, mi. Okay, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re. My dear beginner, this is your activity. Pick them in groups. Pick them in groups. So like this: C, D, E, D, E, G, E, G, A, G, A, C, A, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, G. You can continue E, G, A, G, A, C. This will help you know the fretboard very well. Good. So looking at the first 4 frets, we have this is the first 4 frets in which you can play C major pentatonic. Now let's look at the middle 4. The middle 4, the 8th fret on the E string here. Stop. Now the second 4 frets on the board, where on the 8th fret on the E string we have C here. So we play our C, D is here, E is here, G is here, A, C, D, E, G, A, and then C. It seems this side is very you have everything here. So look at my fingers: 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 4th finger, 1st finger, 4th finger. So playing it in groups. You can play backwards. Good. This is C major pentatonic at the second 4 frets on the board. Now let's look at the last 4 frets on the board. On the board, we can also get something like this. We have our D here. So instead of starting from C, we can start from D, D, have our D here, we have our E, okay, so we are starting at D, and then you end at E. D, E, okay, then C is here, C is here, G, we have G, so we have D, E, G, A, C, D, C, D, E, G, A. Then we have C here, that's the 13th fret. But since we are dealing with the last 4 frets, I would not want to go there. So we get our A here, then we get our D here, then E. It's like this. The main idea is I want you to identify the C major pentatonics at the last 4 frets on the board. So there will be some omissions. We start D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G. We have A. It's supposed to be C here, but the C is not in the last 4, so we will not get it. So getting our A straight to D, and then E. Okay, good. So these are the various ways you can play your C major pentatonic on the fretboard. It applies to all other keys. For example, if you are playing D major, the scale of D major is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So we have your D major scale like that. So to play D major pentatonic, you can have D, E, F sharp, A, B, and then D. So you have D, E, F sharp, A, B to be your D major pentatonic. It applies to all the other keys, provided you know the various notes that makes that particular major scale. Now let's quickly run into minor pentatonic, then we are done. Let's look at C minor. C minor pentatonic. C minor scale, we have C, D, E flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, G sharp, B flat, C. Okay, C minor pentatonic. So we have C, E flat, F, G, B flat, C. So C minor pentatonic, I repeat, C, E flat, F, G, B flat. You can continue downwards. C, D, C, D, E flat, F, G, B flat. That's all. So you can have play something. C minor pentatonic. So, beloved, I think I have explained a bit for you. Try and then follow. Take your time, practice. C minor, C major pentatonic. Apply the principle to all the other keys, and then you are through. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification for every upload. You will get it. On this note, we end here with today's lesson. Meet you another time. Thank you.